Welcome back to one more video in the continuing short series videos on everything you want to know about the Entertrainer certification program. The program I love so much conducting. I love creating entertainers. It's such a great feeling that a product that you created is getting accepted by people. And I thank so much all the certified entertainers, the 70 plus certified entertainers from across India who have got themselves certified as entertainers. And I hope in my previous video you enjoyed the song that I sang, Abhi mujh mein kahin baki thodi si hai zindagi. Kya baat hai, right? So I told you that I'm going to talk to you about one very important step to get certified, which is the flow test. Now, what is this flow test all about? Now, let me ask you a question. How long is typically a workshop, a training workshop? Half a day, 1 day, could be for 2 days, it could be 3 days, it could be a longish kind of a workshop. But do you know a workshop can be for as short a duration as 5 minutes. People think if I get only 5 minutes to do a training program, the only thing I can do is I can speak. And that's also something we cover in the Entertainer Certification Program, the learning styles of people and how you need to adapt yourself to the learning styles of people. So if I give you 5 minutes only, you might think, what can I do in 5 minutes? How can I conduct a workshop in 5 minutes? And you know that a workshop is different from a speaking assignment for 5 minutes. Speaking for 5 minutes is also not easy because we speak 120 words a minute, which is like 600 words in 5 minutes. That's a lot of content. But we train you on, even if it's a 5-minute workshop, you can make it highly impactful by using the 4 quadrants of facilitation. So the 4 quadrants of facilitation is the heart of this program in terms of learning facilitation and making your session entertaining. The 4 quadrants of facilitation will help you conduct a great training program, whether it's for 5 minutes, 50 minutes, half a day, 1 day, 2 days, or even for a 1 month, or even for a week. And you can apply these 4 quadrants of facilitation even in conducting digital programs. And I say digital, not just webinars, but for creating e-learning modules. So in 5 minutes to 7 minutes max, we assign the participants a topic which they can select, or we assign them whichever way it works, and they have to conduct a session using the 4 quadrants of facilitation, and that's a flow test. So that topic could be, let's say, on negotiation skills. So they need to conduct a program, not, I mean, it's a complete program in itself, that's 5 to 7 minutes. And they have to conduct and demonstrate what they have learned in those 5 to 7 minutes, and we give them feedback, instant feedback on what went well and what could have been better, which is invaluable, and that feedback is priceless. And it is this floor test which really is the crux of understanding how much you have understood the concepts and the tools. And it's the crux of your way forward. You know, from here on, these are my strengths as an entertainer, and these are my areas that I need to improve upon to make my next session even more impactful than what it is. So the flow test is a very defining moment for each of the participants in the Entertainer Certification Program. We try and video record that so that you get a you get a clipping of your performance, which you can review later on. So the Entertainer Certification Program is right after my heart. Of course, I'm the creator, so and I think I've already said this, I don't know how many times, but anything that you create, you fall in love with it, of course. But more importantly, it has to add value to the lives of people. So in this, everything you wanted to know about the Entertainer certification, I have shared with you the genesis, why we are doing it, the content architecture and how the content is so enriching and how we provide both style and substance. Also spoke to you about the Entertainer tools and also spoke to you about a very defining exercise that we do in the certification, which is the flow test. In my concluding video, I'm going to talk to you about the benefits for you of doing and undergoing the Entertainer certification program. So please do stay tuned.